going on, family? Black Feniks checking in. I'm at a service call right now. I am actually building a custom bed out of some shelf brackets. Now this shit is a trip, man, so y'all gotta see this. It's gonna turn out dope though, but I never did this. The guy said, hey man, you think we can turn my flatbed into a box trailer? I said, hell yeah, you get the metal. Check this shit out. Let you see it. So right now, these are shelves, like industrial shelves. So right now I'm hooking it up. We're gonna have a slant at the top, and then I'm gonna have bars going across the top of it, and everything's gonna be even. So the access you see up there, I'm gonna be cutting that off, so I won't have it over there. But everything now, I got the bottom welded down, I got it squared out, and he actually loved it. He was like, damn, that's gonna be pretty damn dope. As you see, I got my level up there, got everything squared out. But I'm out here getting my hog on, man, and the guy told me, he said, man, I called your ad after I read it, and you just sounded a little bit more sincere, and you sounded like you knew what you was doing, and from the photos, I could tell that you had done a lot of different things. So I was like, well, I'm gonna take my chances with this guy first. And that's what you gotta do sometime, man.